The legend of the Carnival Spirit. Once upon a time, in the lively island nation of Trinidad and Tobago, there lived a little girl named Leila. Leila was known throughout her village for her love of dance and her ability to move with the rhythm of any music she heard. One day, Leila's grandmother told her about the Carnival Spirit, a magical entity said to bring joy and unity to the people of the islands through dance. The spirit was believed to live in the heart of the island and only appeared during the most vibrant and joyful carnival celebrations. Leila dedicates herself to dance and inspires her village to unite in joy during the carnival, ultimately fulfilling her wish for happiness and togetherness. Inspired by the story, Leila decided to summon the Carnival Spirit. She spent days practicing her dance moves, learning the traditional steps of the soca and calypso dances. The villagers admired Leila's determination and offered her their blessings. Finally, the day of the carnival arrived. Dressed in a colorful costume, Leila danced in the village square. She moved with such grace and joy that the entire village stopped to watch. As the final beats of the music echoed, a radiant light appeared, and the carnival spirit emerged, dancing along with Leila. The spirit thanked Leila for her beautiful dance and granted her a wish. Leila wished for happiness and unity for her village, and the spirit promised to make it so. From that day forward, whenever Leila danced at the carnival, the villagers would gather, dance, and celebrate together, just as Leila had wished. And so, the legend of the Carnival Spirit lived on, inspiring the children of the island to believe in the power of dance, unity, and the beauty of their homeland.